heard this at the store today. When I look back, boy, it must have been a dream. Walking around the country, fishing and a stream, looking for an answer, trying to find a sign. Till I saw your city lights, honey, I was blind. Said, get back, Honk E cat, you better get on back to the wood. Oh, I quit those days and my redneck ways, and oh, change gonna do me good. Said, get back, Honk E cat, living in a city anywhere inside, like trying to find gold in a silver mine, like trying to drink whiskey, oh, from a bottle of wine. Well, I read some books and I read some magazines about those high-class ladies down in New Orleans, and all the fools back home, well, said I was a fool. They said, oh, leave them alone, there's the golden rule. Said, get back, Honk E cat, you better get on back to the wood. Oh, I take those days and my redneck ways, and oh, change is gonna do me good. You better get back, Honk E cat, living in a city in a website, like trying to find gold in a silver mine, like trying to drink whiskey, oh, from a bottle of wine. Better stay at home, boy, I gotta turn on the phone. Living down the city, boy, is gonna break your heart. But how can you stay when your heart says go? How can you stop when your feet say go? Get back, Honk E cat, you better get on back to the wood. Oh, I quit those days and my redneck ways, and oh, change is gonna do me good. You better get back, Honk E cat, living in a city in a website, like trying to find